Daddy, ilang taon ako na natuto mag-drive?
I love you. I love you. You're my everything. You're my everything. You're my everything, everything, everything.
Ako naalala ko, tinuruan ako na uminom. 8 years old. Sabi mo, tigil mo lang ng beer. Konti lang yan.
Tawa talaga. Tumigil kang ganun.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Totoo ba yan?
Oo.
That's why for a time when I met you, you were...
Drunkard.
That's right. Hindi ka pa tatay pa.
What's one brand of bag na hindi ko bibilin? Sabi ko, okay lang ako, wala akong ganyang bag. Go, go. Ah, yes. Binenta ko yung Hermes na binagat na binigay namin. Binenta ko
She sold her Hermes bag and she bought marble for the kitchen.
countertop. O, see, practicality. Ngayon yung gift nila, kusina ako. What's my favorite brand? Ang damit or what's like now, the brand that I like.
Ano sagot mo?
Tapos, pantulog yan. Ikaw? Considero. Who is my favorite international singer? Yes, let's see the other one.
Tingin muna sa'yo.
Ano? Whitney Christina Aguilera.
Pero talaga ang kinakanta mo lagi, M to M.
Huwag ka makapaniwala dyan. Who do I find is the most beautiful woman in the world? Ito talaga, itong pinakamagandang mukha sa akin.
Tapos sabihin mo rin dito kung sino yung sinasabi ng bata, ako kamukha ko lagi.